Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to share with you a simple and delicious recipe for my homemade southern potato salad. This recipe serves for people and takes about 20 minutes to make. Ingredients: 4 to 6 medium potatoes, peeled and diced. 4 large eggs boiled 12 to 15 minutes. 4 eggs peeled and chopped. A quarter small onion, chopped to cloves garlic. Minced 1 cup mayonnaise, 1 tablespoons sweet relish, a quarter chopped fresh bell pepper, a quarter celery chopped fine, 1 teaspoon salt, a half teaspoon black pepper, a quarter tablespoons sugar, a half tablespoons mustard. Instructions: 1. In a large bowl, combine the diced potatoes, chopped onion, minced garlic, sweet relish, mustard, mayo, and the remaining ingredients. 2. Mix well to taste. 3. To serve, spoon the potato salad onto plates. Optional, to drizzle with additional dressing if desired. Garnish with paprika, chopped parsley, and enjoy. This potato salad is a great side to serve with grilled chicken, fish, or as a vegetarian option during the holidays. The fresh vegetables, creamy dressing, and fluffy potatoes come together to create a satisfying and delicious meal. Don't forget to give this recipe a try and let me know what you think.